Racing just is started. We have Pambihira, Billionaria, moving up on the outside. Now is Silver Glades. Then followed by Mozan, Believable. Here comes next. Down on the inside now is My Paho is Special. Baluvaran's Ride comes next, while Hurricane Ali is the trailer ram going along for the first turn. We have Mozan, Believable, moving up on the outside to take the lead. Billionaria is running by the rail, moving up now. That is Ifira. In the middle portion comes Pambihira. My Paho is Special. Baluvaran's Pride. Silver Glades. Then next on line now is 4A, and this one is Hurricane Aliyah. Back to the leader, we have Billionaria. Once again takes command by her length and half. My Paho is Special in second. Hurricane Ali. Ifira comes next, then followed by Silver Glades. Next on line is Baluvaran's Pride, Hurricane Ali, while Pambihira now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We are Billionaria by about 4 lengths. My Paho is Special now in second. Most Unbelievable Ifira comes next. Last 75 meters, we are Billionaria by about 8 lengths, and finally it's Billionaria. My Paho is Special. Then comes Most Unbelievable Ifira.
Tsaka si Silver Glides.